Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we're gonna learn how to open GitHub project in Visual Studio Code. So as you can see, we're currently on Visual Studio Code in here. And for us to be able to proceed, let's download first the GitHub project. So I have a GitHub project in here that I found into the internet. So we're just gonna go ahead and download this one first. So for us to be able to proceed, we're gonna download this one. Just click onto this green button and there is a download zip in here. So click onto that and let's just wait for this one to be downloaded onto your device. Now, as you can see, it is still downloading right now. We'll just have to wait for this one to be finished. Now, as you can see, the download has been finished. Let's open the file folder for that and extract the file. So what we'll need to do, let's just right click onto that one. And then right after, there should be an option for you to extract all. Click onto that one and then it will go ahead and ask you to go ahead and extract this. So we're just going to extract this. And once it is complete, it should go ahead and open this folder just like that. So the next thing that we need to do in here is we're going to go to our Visual Studio Code back again. And to open the GitHub project, we're going to go ahead and head onto the file. And then let's click onto open file in here. So we're going to go ahead and try to locate the folder wherein we have extracted the file. So for on my case, we have the one on downloads. Let's click on downloads and then we'll click onto this one and then we'll click onto open. So click onto this one, click onto open again. And then you should be able to find in here the different folders onto the different projects that we have downloaded. You'll just have to choose onto which one. So for example, this code in here, we're going to open that one. And then you're just going to go ahead and click onto open again to go ahead and proceed. So as you can see, we have successfully opened a project from the GitHub project that we have downloaded earlier. That is just basically it onto how to open GitHub project in Visual Studio Code. And if you think this has been helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.